You may be surprised after learning about this new change on Galaxy Z Fold 5, and some of you may be disappointed, as one of the biggest changes that we are expecting on Fold May 5th not come, but there are some rumors who are telling a different story: the crease on Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now I have a lot of news about Galaxy Z Fold 5 crease, but yesterday when Ice Universe tweeted about we are going to get the same crease as Fold 4 and Fold May 5th not come, the biggest difference you can see is the crease, as we're going to get a less visible crease on Fold 5. Even Anthony shared this: Flip 5 and Fold 5 is going to come with the new his design, and the crease will be less noticeable. For a reference, we can see Oppo Find N2, as it came with the teardrop hinge that Samsung will include in the Z Fold 5. Now, along with the less visible crease Fold 5, we're going to come with a thinner and lighter design. The weight of the phone will be 254 grams instead of 263 grams on Fold 4, so it is impossible for Samsung to reduce weight on the same hinge like Fold 4. Also, Fold 5 will be thinner due to a flat folder design of a new hinge. There's another big change we are going to get with the new design, which is durability, as Z Fold 5 will be flat folded, so it will be safe from dust, although Fold 5 is going to come with only IPX8 rating for water resistance, and there is no official dust certification on Fold 5, but still it will be safe on pocket dust. Also, the test results of a new hinge is also out, where we're going to see a 200,000 to 300,000 folds, and after 200,000 followers the handle will maintain an 85% of the strength, which is amazing. And for numbers, for an average user who forward an unfolded device 100 times a day, Fold 5 can last about 5.7 years, and after that hinge will start losing its strength, which is more than enough for a foldable phone. Also, the cover display has been changed due to a new hinge design, where if you look closely, the hinge part on Fold 5 is very minimal compared to Fold 4. This is all due to hinge, and although the size will remain the same as 6.2 inches, but it will look cleaner and much better. All of these changes are due to a new hinge design. Also, by getting this new hinge design, we will not see you build a S Pen. The launch there will be in the last week of July. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.